Grab your hiking boots, we're going on an epic waterfall adventure. First stop, Angel Falls in Venezuela. This giant stands over 3,200 feet tall. That's nearly a kilometer of water plummeting down. Imagine the roar of the water and the mist kissing your face. Next, we have Tugela Falls in South Africa. At a majestic 3,110 feet, it's like nature's skyscraper. Ever heard of Olo'upena Falls? Nestled in Hawaii, it cascades down 2,953 feet of untouched paradise. And don't miss Ramnefjellsfossen in Norway, with its stunning 685-foot drop. These waterfalls are nature's wonders, showcasing the raw power and beauty of our planet. So, pack your virtual bags and let's chase these waterfalls.